Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to apply adjustment into one layer. Okay, here I will create new file and I will change for custom color into black. Click OK and create. Now I will insert for the image. I will open my folder file and I will insert this image. Also the other I will insert again this image. Okay, we have these two images. Now if you want to adjustment in only one layer, first you can right click like at this option. I will create for hue and saturation. Right click in hue and then choose create clipping mask. So if you adjustment, it will be automatically adjustment this layer. Okay, below this hue. If you want to adjustment only for this image, you can create again hue and saturation and then make sure the hue saturation in the top of adjustment one. So if you right click, create clipping mask and use adjustment to a single layer like this. Okay, that's it, how to apply adjustment in a single layer. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.